everybody. Welcome to iExamBee's Legalbee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us. And if you're preparing for any competitive exams after your law, you're at the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Legalbee, and stay tuned with all the videos that we keep on providing which are helpful in your exam preparation. In case of doubts, queries, you can reach out to us by writing an email on hello@iexamee.com, or you can also call us on this number 920-552-4028. Visit our website www.iexamee.com. Check all the online courses available on iExamBee's website. You can also activate the demo of these courses. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. Today I'm going to continue with the series of 300 important MCQs that was started initially for IBPS SO Law as well as UIIC Legal Exam 2024. Now, since the IBPS exam is over, we will be covering some special laws or the specific laws for UIIC Legal Exam and whatever subjects are remaining. So, today I will be covering insurance law, which is specially for the UIIC Legal Exam 2024. The IRDA Act 1999 came into force on 1st February 1999, 19 April 1999, 19 April 2000, 23rd August 2000, none of the above. So when did this act come into force? Correct answer is C, 19 April 2000. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act, and it extends to the whole of India. But when it came into force on 2000, okay? Though it was drafted in 1999, enactment date, enforcement date. Always remember, ये difference होता है. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority was set up on the recommendation of Mr. Aaron Malhotra Committee, a retired governor of RBI. All of the above, both A and C. That is Mr. Aaron Malhotra, who is a retired governor of RBI. I think this question is also logical. If you just apply the simple logic, you can crack this MCQ. Correct answer is D, all of the above, because all of the things are correct about Mr. Aaron Malhotra, who was the chairperson of the Malhotra Committee, and he was also retired governor of the RBI. Chairperson and every other whole-time member shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office, and shall be eligible for reappointment. Not hold office as chairperson after he has attained the age of 65 years. Not hold office as a whole-time member after he has attained the age of 62 years. Both B and C. All of the above. So, chairperson and every other whole-time member shall. All of the above are correct about the chairperson and whole-time members. They shall hold office for a term of 5 years, and it will be calculated from the date on which he enters upon his office and shall be eligible for reappointment. Shall not hold office as chairperson after he has attained the age of 65 years. Not hold office as a whole-time member after he has attained the age of 62 years. Section 5 talks about the tenure of office of chairperson and other members. Who is the power to establish Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India as per the IRDA Act 1999? RBI, SEBI, IRDA, central government, both C and D, IRDA and central government. Now, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India is established by central government. Very easy, this is Section 3. Talks about the establishment and incorporation of the authority. What shall be credited to the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority Fund? As per the IRDA Act 1999, all government grants, fees and charges that are received by the authority, all sums that are received by authority from such other source as may be decided upon by the central government, all sums received by the authority from such other source as may be decided upon by the state government. Both A and B, either B or C. So, what shall be credited to the IRDA fund? Correct answer is D, both A and B. All the government grants, fees, charges received by the authority and all sums that are received by the authority from such other source as may be decided upon by the central government. Constitution of fund is covered under section 16. Okay. Which section of IRDA Act 1999 deals with the establishment of Insurance Advisory Committee? Section-based question, but the answer you can remember, and you can also study the section about Insurance Advisory Committee, what is their role, etc. Correct answer is E. Section 25, Establishment of Insurance Advisory Committee. What is the purpose of this authority? What is the composition, etc. आप इस वीडियो के पॉज करके भी पढ़ सकते हैं एंड जो पीपीटी है उसको भी आप डाउनलोड करके अपने रेफरेंस के लिए रख सकते हैं टू प्रैक्टिस, टू रिवाइज etc. Insurance Advisory Committee shall consist of 10 members including ex officio members, not more than 25 members excluding ex officio members, not less than 25 members excluding ex officio members, as the central government may in its discretion decide, none of the above. अभी हमने previous section जो पढ़ा उसी में इसका आंसर covered है. It's about the composition, but they have also made it confusing by adding this excluding ex officio, including ex officio, like that. Correct answer is B. Not more than 25 members excluding the ex officio members. So where is this covered? Section 25, Establishment of Insurance Advisory Committee, Clause 2. As per IRDA Act 1999, all the questions which come up before any meeting of the authority shall be decided by majority of votes by the members present, and in the event of an equality of votes, chairperson shall have a second or casting vote. Majority of votes by the members present and voting, and in the event of an equality of votes, chairperson or in his absence, the person presiding shall have a second or casting vote. Either B or C, none of the above. So as per this act, all the questions which come up before any meeting of authority shall be decided by majority of votes by the members present and voting, and in the event of an equality of votes, chairman or in his absence, person who is presiding shall have a second or a casting vote. Section 10, Meeting of the Authority, Clause 3 covers this point. What is the objective of the Insurance Advisory Committee as per Section 25? जो मैंने आपको कहा काफी important है, उससे related हमने यहाँ पे एक और question discuss करने वाले हैं. To advise the authority on matters relating to making of regulations under Section 26, time and place of meetings of authority and the procedure to be followed at such meetings, including the quorum necessary for transaction of business at its meetings under Section 10, Clause 4, both B and C, none of the above. So what is the objective? Correct answer is A. To advise. Of course, the name itself suggests to advise the authority on matters relating to making of regulations under Section 26. Section 25, Clause 4 covers this. Objects. Under what circumstances central government may supersede the authority as per the IRDA Act? On account of circumstances beyond control of authority, if it is unable to discharge functions or perform the duties that are imposed on it by or under the provisions of this Act, such circumstances exist which render it necessary in the public interest to do so. If the authority has persistently defaulted in complying with any direction given by central government, all of the above, both A and C. So under what circumstances central government may supersede? यहाँ पे अगर none of the above भी होता तो भी आप थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं शायद ऑप्शन देख के कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट सुपरसीड कर भी सकता है या नहीं, बट विद दिस इट इज वेरी क्लियर कि कर सकता है. अंडर व्हाट सर्कमस्टांसेस? All of the above circumstances. That is correct. Section 19 covers this point. Power of central government to supersede the authority in all these circumstances. ये भी important है. Who can appoint the officers, employees necessary for efficient discharge of the functions of Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority under this Act? IRDA, Central Government, Insurance Advisory Committee, both A and B, both A and C. A, IRDA only, officers and employees of authority. So it will, as it requires, as it is necessary for efficient discharge of the functions under the Act, it will appoint. Word IRDA stands for, very simple. Very, very simple, but still sometimes you get confused by looking at the options if they are not clear. So read it whenever you are looking at the name of the Act. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Answer is B. ये इंडियन है, ये इंश्योरेबल है, इन्वेस्टमेंट है, ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. जैसे इंश्योरेंस रेगुलेटरी डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी, बट व्हाट दे हैव एडेड द प्रीफिक्स हियर, सो डोंट बी इन अ हरी. Which of the following accurately describes requirement placed on the authority regarding financial records as per the IRDA Act? Authority is not required to maintain any financial records Authority must maintain proper accounts and prepare an annual statement of accounts in consultation with the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Authority is solely responsible for preparing its financial records without external consultation. Authority must prepare an annual statement of accounts but is not obligated to maintain proper records. Authority is not subject to any requirements regarding financial reporting. Correct answer is B, that it must contain proper accounts and prepare an annual financial statement of accounts in consultation with the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Section 17, Accounts and Audit. Which of the following accurately describes the creation and funding of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Fund under the IRDA Act? This fund is established through contributions from insurance companies exclusively. The fund is created through donations from the public. Fund is established with government grants, fees, charges received by the authority and other sums that are decided upon by the central government. Fund is solely supported by fees and charges that are levied on policy holders. Fund is funded entirely by central government without any other sources of income. Correct answer is C. Fund is established with government grants, fees, charges received by the authority and other sums that are decided upon by the central government. Section 16, Constitution of Fund. There shall be constituted a fund to be called as the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Fund, and there shall be credited thereto all government grants, fees and charges received by authority, all sums received by authority from such other source as may be decided upon by the central government. Last question for today. What is the duration of term of office for part-time members of the authority under IRDA Act? Part-time members hold office for an indefinite term. Part-time members hold office for a term of 3 years. They hold office for a term of less than 5 years. They hold office for a term not exceeding 5 years from the date they assume office. Part-time members hold office for a term exceeding 5 years. So basically the question relating to part-time members' term of office. Direct questions हैं ये सारे. If you are having knowledge of the act and the provision, you can answer these questions and fetch marks. Correct answer is D. Part-time members hold office for a term not exceeding 5 years from the date they assume office. And that is from the date they come to the office, so they enter upon the office. Section 5, Tenure of office of chairperson and other members. Clause 2 covers this point. Not exceeding 5 years. So it's 5 years basically. Prepare 50% faster with us at Legalbee. In case of any queries, reach out to us. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the features like classes, full course access, daily quiz, and daily current affairs at Legalbee. Thank you, everybody.